Hello friends, I am Sheetal Dharkar. Today I am here discuss about sedative and hypnotics. Firstly, we are discuss about what is meant by sedative as well as hypnotics. Sedative, a drug that reduces excitement, calms the patient. Site of action is on the limbic system which regulates mental function. Hypnotic, a drug which produces sleep resembling natural sleep. They are used for initiation or maintenance of sleep. Site of action is on the midbrain, etc. In sedative and hypnotics, we are discuss about SAR of benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines are used as sedative and hypnotics, anticonvulsant, and general anesthetics. This is the general structure of diazepam, and this is the structure of diazepam. In the structure of diazepam, the position 7, that is chlorine, is essential for the activity. The position 1, CH3 group, is essential for the diazepam activity, and the position 2, double bond O, is essential for the activity. The presence of electron attracting group substituents, that is chlorine, fluorine, bromine, and nitro group at position 7 is required for activity, and more electron attracting leads to more activity. Position 6, 8, 9 should not be substituted. At position 1, smaller group is prepared for intrinsic activity, that is group H and group CH3. At position 2, carbonyl group carbon cannot be converted into CH2, will decrease the activity. At position 1 and 2, if heterocycles are fused, lead to a potent compounds. At position 3, polar group, for example OH, if added, forms oxazepam activity. If double bond between position 4 and 5 is essential for the activity. If double bond between position 4 and 5, if shifted to position 3 and 4, will decrease the activity. All active benzodiazepines possess C double bond O at position 2 except midazolam and triazolam. This is the structure of midazolam and this is the structure of triazolam. At position 5, aryl group or pyridyl group is observed, and aryl group is essential for the activity. At position 2' and 6', if electron attracting group is attached, will significantly increase the activity. At position 3', 4' and 5', if electron attracting group is attached, will decrease the activity. At position 7, chlorine group is essential for the activity. In benzodiazepine, if aromatic ring replaced with heteroaromatic ring, leads to formation of anxiolytic compound. Lorazepam. This is the general structure of lorazepam. Lorazepam occurs as minor metabolite of diazepam. It can be visualized as N-methyl oxazepam. Next is prazepam. Trazepam has long half-life. N-dealkylation occurs to yield nordazepam. 3-hydroxylation of both trazepam and nordazepam occurs. This is the structure of trazepam. References. Thank you.